And once you're back on the WordPress homepage, let's scroll down and let's add a new row. So click on Add Row, and let's change the row layout to 1, and then go to the Layout tab. And I like to put in 30px right here for top and bottom padding. And you can always play around with the spacing on your own if you want. And then come down to Row Layout, and let's go in here and select Full Width so that our row goes from one side all the way to the other. And then what I want to do is come down to the Design tab, and what I want to do is add a background color for this section. So if I go to the text tutorial, I want to get the background color code right here on step number 22. So the color code is 252525. So if I highlight and copy that and then come back to the WordPress website, and right here where it says background color, if I click this button, I can just type in the color code right here. So it's 252525. So go ahead and type that in if you want the same background color. And then we can just click the insert button right here. And now what we want to do is add our call to action widget. So click on add widget and then find the Sydney FP call to action widget again and click on that. And you should know how to use this. So what we're going to do is click on the edit link. And what we're going to do is put in our call to action right here and then add a link and then the title for our button right here. So what I want to do is go to the demo WordPress website, and just to save some time, I'm going to highlight this text right here. So it says, "We love what we do, need some inspiration. Check out what our clients say." So I'm going to copy that and then just paste it into where it says enter your call to action. And then for the link for the button, I'm going to go to the text tutorial, and again on step number 22 we have the web address right down here that we can modify. So if I highlight this and copy it and then go back to the WordPress website, and I'll read this out to you. It says http://www.yourwebaddress.com/success stories. So we're going to create a page called Success Stories, and it's going to have our testimonials and everything like that. So what you want to do is just replace where it says your web address with your website name. So I'll type in how to Webby. And again, you can always come in here and update the link if you create additional pages. So again, you don't have to have the same call to action or the same text that I do for my website. You can always customize it to create whatever WordPress website that you want. Okay? So the last thing that we're going to do here is put in our title for this button, and I want to type in Success Stories. And what I want to do this time is I want to check this box that says display the button in line with the text. If you notice on the demo WordPress website, this time around we have our call to action and the button on the same line. So in order to have this, instead of them on top of each other, you have to check that box. So make sure that you check this box here if you want the same layout. And the other thing that I want to do is come to the Design tab, and we want to change some colors again for the font. So let's scroll down to widget title color, and we don't need to do anything here. We can just clear this just to be safe. But for the headings color, we want to put in the color code that has that silver color. So if you remember, it's going to be hashtag or pound sign 8C8C8C. And this color code is also going to be in the description of the video, and also it's always on the text tutorial on how to make a WordPress website for free on the NYC Tech Club website. Okay, so once you have that, we should be good to go. So let's click done right here. And now what we want to do is just update our website so that we save our changes. So let's click on the update button right here. And once the website is updated, let's go and check it out. So let's click on view page. And once the WordPress website loads, if we scroll down, we should see the call to action that we just made at the bottom of the page. So you should see a full width row with a background color and then a call to action with whatever text color that you chose. And then our button right here that's going to link to a testimonial page that we'll create a little bit later. So if this is what you see, then we are good to go. And now what we can do is create the last section on the WordPress homepage. So what we're going to do is create these social media buttons that look just like this. And you can always customize these icons to be whatever color that you want. So if you want this on your homepage, let's go back to the WordPress website that we're making and learn how to do this. So let's click on the edit page link one more time.